Found some interesting things last night. Those of you who were on my stream would know. I found something rather interesting last night. That on one particular Uru tag, there is something interesting. So as a joke, I made some sounds, but I thought they were over the top enough that it sounded like a joke. But I was checking one of my Uru tags last night on stream, and I found out that it has been used. It has been used. And unfortunately, it sounds not like a joke.
Talking about? What voice are you talking about?
Look, I don't listen to the sounds that I make, okay? I thought it sounded ironic. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, it sounds very much not like a joke. I didn't realize it sounded like that. So, why does it sound like that? Why does it sound like that? All your just a joke bro sounds are like that. If you didn't know, now you do. I never listened back on them. I didn't. I honestly did not realize how bad it is. It sounds a little too believable. Why? What? How am I doing that? How did I do that? What? How is that coming out of my mouth? What the heck? Uruka sowing. Haha, yeah. Uruka reaping. Aw, oh, man, this sucks. It's funny in the moment, okay? It's funny in the moment. Honestly, it's still funny. It's still funny after the moment, but it's also like, what the fuck? It's okay. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, it's less of a shock that you actually went and did it, and more of a shock as in like, I didn't realize it sounded like that for real. That's more of where the shock comes from. I'm gonna be honest. Perhaps my true calling has yet to happen.